Current Affairs, 17 December 2020. Vision 2035, Public Health Surveillance in India. Niti Aayog has released a white paper titled Vision 2035, Public Health Surveillance in India on 14 December 2020. The Vision 2035 Public Health Surveillance in India is a continuation of the work on health systems strengthening. The building blocks for this vision are an interdependent federated system of governance between the center and states. Losar. Ladakh Buddhist Association celebrates Losar festival in Leh. Losar is celebrated to mark the beginning of the new year of the Buddhist community. The Losar Ladakh started as a tradition during supremacy of the 9th king of Tibet in early 17th century, when King Jamyang Namgyel decided to lead a war in winter and ended up celebrating the festival in advance. Since then, the Losar festival is celebrated in the 11th month of Tibetan calendar, which continues on 15th December. But the holiday celebrated on various dates depending on location tradition. India slips 2 spots to rank 131 in Global Human Development Index. India ranked 131 among 189 countries on the Human Development Index for 2020, slipping 2 places from 2019 index. According to the Human Development Report 2020 released by the United Nations Development Programme on 16th December. Norway topped the index, followed by the Ireland and Switzerland. Hong Kong and Iceland complete the top 5. GOI launch brand India mission. The Government of India is to launch Brand India mission to promote quality of products that are manufactured in the country. This mission is being piloted by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The mission is based on similar policies in the other countries such as Switzerland, United States, Germany, and France. Under the Brand India initiative, both Indian and international consumers are to be educated about products that are made in India. The mission will help India to demonstrate its leadership position and its commitment to quality. The main aim of the mission is to increase the local production.